Tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me all night long. Tonight the represent.
Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope they're all doing well. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing good. And what I have for you today is a quick video of me making some Canjero in Burmaacam. You will find everything in the description box, inshallah. And if you like this kind of video, let me know. Assalamu alaikum. Then I'm gonna put the lemon juice in.
حبيبتان دونياي مركان حبي كتبه شركا حبين وكعو حسوس هذا قلبي وسوى حاضرته حسيلي قرد حسيلي قرد
Guys, my Canjero. There you go guys, Canjero gaduudan macaan iska okay. So guys, I'm gonna show you the other way to make Burmaacam. If you don't really like using your hands, you can actually use 2 spoons. You take a small portion of dough in your spoon and then you try to push that. You try to push that into the oil as I'm showing you here. You take a small amount and then you push it into the oil. And if you're like me, you don't mind using your hands. The key here though is actually you have to put your hand in water. You dab your hand in water and then you take amount of dough, you squeeze it out and then you try to cut that dough, a small portion of it with your thumb as I'm showing you here. You squeeze it out first and then you cut it. I know it looks easy, it takes practice.
حبيبتان دونياي مركان حبي كتبه شركا حبين وكعو حسوس هذا قلبي وسوى حاضرته حسيلي قرد